Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here. Today I got a play rail train set. Play rail is I believe Chinese, or no, Japanese. If I'm correct, I don't know if I am. But it is definitely play rail, that's for sure. And yeah, so I have already opened it. I haven't looked what's inside, but this little bridge piece right here is not a part of the original set, so I got no idea if all the pieces are here. So, let's get unboxing, shall we? Right. Let's do this one at it, shall we? Oh god, no! This is going terribly wrong. And big train! Oh, there's a box in there already. Oh. Well, that's good to know. At least I have that, I guess, to put all this stuff back. So, I'm gonna go and time-lapse this whole thing, and yeah. Yo, there's no way. Bro, Thomas is done. Yo, I don't have a Thomas like this. Well, a play rail Thomas. Bro, it's the play rail Thomas. Comes with a troubling truck, I see. Yo, it's Thomas. He's missing his eyebrows though. No! It's very windy over here. I'm gonna put you in there, and let's start the time lapse. So everyone, I have a quite big issue here. Set's not complete. I got a lot of random stuff, if you can see there. Except for that, yeah. A lot of the playset is incomplete, unfortunately. But we do have, like, one of the main features here. Terrence. Does he have a battery in him? I hope not. Well, in any case, it doesn't work. And we don't even have a little ball thing, so I don't even know if any of this could work. I have no clue what this set is at all. I know it's a plate rail because of that guy. Yeah, I have that little dumper thing. That's for the little balls. It's like chucked in there and stuff. It's a pretty cool set. But I don't have the material to finish it. But I do like these little cargo bits, so these little cargo bits are very nice to have. And yeah. Thomas doesn't work. Terrence doesn't work. Ooh. Geez, this is what I get for buying something off the boot fair, hey? Luckily, I do have the pieces back in other playsets I bought. It's very sad to see though, all of this stuff is, yeah. I do have the box though, so it's nice to have the box and, you know, some of the pieces. That's about it. Yeah. So I can't actually view this playset. Well, I could. Like, I'm guessing this Terrence is supposed to go in here and then like dumps the balls in here and then just turns around. Something like that. I don't know. So yeah, this is going to be a really short one. I hope that Thomas works. I really do. Is this... Am I even going to post this? I got no idea. Oh. It sucks though. Because it's a really cool place there. And the amount of money I paid for this is incredible. Good thing is, I do have most of the main pieces. So, yeah. Maybe another time. Maybe another time, eh? So, press that bell down below if you want no, wait. Oh, I can't do this. Like and sub. Yeah, put like down below if you enjoyed the video, and sub if you want to see more of this. Bye-bye!